Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update for Tronmoon. I gave an update yesterday letting you know what I was doing with withdrawing my funds that had built up to yesterday. And I logged on just to check the Tron scan contract today and found a community message. And I think they're doing the right thing by cutting off the invest button. But let me read to you what they've had to say. The community decided, we are saddened by the continuation of the declining balance. Though much thought and research went into the creation of the contract, players decided that the game must finish. Currently, this ROI game contract is too risky, so we removed the deposit buttons and suggest everyone to be smart and cut their losses. If you still want to deposit, please do it through TronScan. Smart contracts are decentralized. We can be used from there easily, even without a website. We tried to innovate in the high-risk Tron contract space, as you know, giving you the first ROI game that permit you to do better risk management than the others. The community decided that this is over again. There won't be a follow-up. And then it has a button for you to push, I understand, and thank you. And I think it's good for them to turn off the purchasing or investing button for this Tron smart contract for several reasons. So it doesn't allow new investment, because some people, even though it's been going for over a month, some people might not know that, and they might just stumble across it and make an investment with their TRX, which would be for naught. The other reason is that they are acknowledging that while they thought they put together a pretty good plan, that the community is really running the system. So if the community doesn't support it, then, or if you put your TRX into the contract and decided, hey, this has been a good run for me, I'm going to withdraw and move on to another smart contract, that is totally fine also, because whatever investment you make, it is your TRX. So you absolutely can cut and run whenever you want to or are able to. So I think what a lot of the smart contracts are missing is that the feeder to the smart contract is generally new members. And in order for a smart contract to kind of hold its momentum, is that it does have to have a business or process or something that is making either Tether or TRX externally, and that would go into the contract to feed it so that it might have some longevity. I've been talking with a couple of people that have been trying to figure out ways to make a better smart contract. You might be one of them. Put your suggestions below in the comments. For now, I'm going to leave it at that. If you have TRX in the contract, there are still funds still in the smart contract on the balance on TronScan. So if you have something invested, think about withdrawing before the account is totally wiped out. And I will talk to you next time. This has been a good run for them. There probably has to be a lot of innovation for there to be a follow-up. They're saying that there won't be a follow-up. So I say good luck to them, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.